NAVI, the brand new AI software designed to detect hallucinations, is revolutionizing the way we tackle one of the most persistent issues in artificial intelligence today. In this video, I'm going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about NAVI so you can understand exactly how it works and whether it's right for you. Stay tuned, because you're about to get the inside scoop on the best AI just released. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. First, let's address the big question. What exactly is hallucination detection and why does it matter? In simple terms, when we talk about AI hallucinations, we're referring to instances where an AI generates information that isn't real or isn't based on actual data. This is a serious issue in fields like natural language processing and image generation, where accuracy is critical. NAVI aims to eliminate that problem by helping AI systems identify and correct these errors in real time. Now, why is NAVI such a game changer? First off, it's incredibly accurate. It uses a combination of machine learning models and data verification techniques to flag content that doesn't align with known facts. This means that instead of relying on outdated or faulty data, NAVI ensures AI outputs are grounded in reality, improving the overall reliability of AI-generated content. For anyone working in research, content creation, or AI development, this is huge. No more worrying about false or misleading information slipping through the cracks. Secondly, NAVI is extremely user-friendly. Even if you're not a data scientist or AI expert, NAVI's interface is intuitive, making it accessible for a wide range of users. It doesn't just detect hallucinations, it also provides actionable insights on how to fix them. This makes it an essential tool for anyone looking to improve the quality and trustworthiness of AI-generated outputs. Another thing that sets NAVI apart is its adaptability. It can integrate with a wide variety of AI platforms and applications, from chatbots to machine translation tools to even content generation software. This means that whether you're working with a large-scale AI system or a smaller project, NAVI can plug right in and start improving the output. The fourth key feature is speed. NAVI works in real time, ensuring that hallucinations are detected and corrected as the AI is generating content. This is a massive improvement over traditional methods, where you might have to manually review outputs or run them through separate detection systems after the fact. With NAVI, the process is seamless, saving time and increasing efficiency. As for pricing, NAVI is very competitive. It offers a free version with a limited set of features, allowing you to test out the software and see if it meets your needs before committing. If you need more advanced functionalities, their premium plans offer greater customization and more robust detection tools. One of the most exciting things about NAVI is its potential for continuous improvement. As it's used more and more, NAVI learns from its interactions, becoming even more accurate at detecting hallucinations over time. This makes it a valuable long-term investment for anyone in AI development, content creation, or data-driven fields. And finally, NAVI offers fantastic customer support. Their team is responsive, knowledgeable, and ready to assist with any questions or issues you may encounter. So, you're not just getting a powerful tool, you're getting a dedicated support team to back you up. So, if you're curious about how to make sure your AI-generated content is always accurate and reliable, NAVI is definitely worth checking out. I've left a link to the software in the description below where you can try it completely for free. Before you go, make sure to check out my recommended AI software in the description as well. After testing thousands of AI tools, these are the ones I trust the most for achieving the best results. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.